Hey everybody, I just picked up a monitor for myself. Let's see what we got here. Wow, this thing is pretty big. Instructions, more papers. Base. Base. This is the easy to lock. That's the back plate to go on the monitor, but I'm not going to mount it to the wall. We'll see that later. It's a regular power cable, HDMI cable. Oh, here's the monitor. Here's the 27-inch. So let's see what we have in the back. That's the back plate. This one goes on here. Put this on later. Okay. So this thing comes with the power, 2 HDMI, and a display port. And it looks like it has some built-in speakers here. So power control, the on off, and I guess all the menu and the settings are down here. Built-in speakers. So I don't know how well these speakers are, but normally they're not very good. I do have my, subwoofer speaker and all that other good stuff. So Dell, I always like Dell. I have another Dell monitor on there right now, so I'm going to replace Dell. One of my Samsung and keep my other Dell. It's a workhorse. It lasts forever. Got that plate on here. So we'll check back on it soon. Okay, so I finally got a chance to put this guy up. So this is what I'm replacing. Nope, actually no. This is what I'm going to be replacing. So as you can see, my desk, it's a mess. I'm going to replace this Samsung. Put this monitor over here, and then the 27-inch Dell right here. The reason why I like Dell is this is a Dell, and this Dell is just a workhorse. I had this for, oh, God knows how long. It's been, a great monitor, working very, very well, very long time. So this is actually a TV. So I'm going to take this TV and put it outside on the porch. So I'm getting a bigger monitor here, so I can do more, editing here. As you can see, my Lightroom, do some photo editing, and be easier for me to see, and I can catch my movies on this side while I'm working. That's the plan. This is the Dell 27-inch 2.5K monitor. This is the Dell S2721D. This is a 27-inch monitor. I purchased this on Amazon. So what happened is that I have to end up adding a new VGA card. I have to get one of these guys because the computer I have, it came with 2 DVI ports. I only have the on-board, but I also purchased the DVI to HDMI cable. That didn't work, so I end up spending another $100 on a video card just to get this guy up. You know, as you can see, this is the background. This is an image I took in Hong Kong. However, this image is only sized to 1920 by 1080. I guess it's blown up. But I'll show you a couple of pictures. This is a high-res picture that I took of downtown Los Angeles. The monitor is very, very vibrant. That's for sure. Very vibrant. And this is my previous Dell. So as you can see, it's not so bright. So this is what it looks like. And it's a big difference. You know, you can tell halfway. Of course, the pixel in here is much higher. It's so much better. I can do a lot of photo editings and other stuff on here, so that's definitely helped out. The colors are so much nicer. You know, took this picture over the weekend. My little friend, Chip and Dale. So I'm really liking it. So I'm just hoping to see, you know, in the long run, this would work out. It will last as long as my other one. This guy is a workhorse. This monitor has been very, very, very good to me. Even though, I mean, the resolution is not as sharp and crisp as what it is today. This monitor here is set to 2560 by 1440, and yeah. So this is the current monitor, and this is the Dell S2409. Like I said, monitor has been old, but it's been a workhorse, so that's why I really like Dell. I always did. When I worked for the company, I started buying Dell for the whole company as a part of the IT team. So it's an NVIDIA, so the video card is an NVIDIA. Basically, you know, the NVIDIA can control the colors. I guess if I want to tweak this a little bit, I can, but so far it looks like it's what I like. So far so good. Thanks for watching.